In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the time zone on TradingView. This is a simple yet crucial step to make sure that the times displayed align with your local time or preferred trading hours, and it only takes a minute or so to do. When you're using TradingView for tracking financial markets, the accuracy of time is just as important as the data itself. The platform typically displays time in a default zone, which may not match your own. To adjust this and ensure you're interpreting data correctly, follow along with me. First, let's head over to your TradingView account, and you'll want to look at the bottom right corner of your chart. There, you'll see the current time displayed, usually coupled with its time zone. It might read something like GMT4 or a similar format depending on where you are or what default settings you're working with. This section is integral as it tells you exactly what time your charts are reflecting, crucial for making timely decisions in the market. Once you've identified the clock or time zone label, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Don't worry, it's entirely straightforward and user-friendly. You'll see a list of available time zones appear, all organized in a way that's easy to skim through. Scrolling through this list, look for your desired time zone. They're labeled by region, such as America, New York, or Europe, London, making it simple to find the one you need. When you find the correct time zone, click to select it. This choice immediately changes your chart's time references to match your selection. It's that straightforward. You can now continue analyzing your charts with the assurance that the time bar is aligned with the local hours you prefer or require for your trading activities. Setting this feature not only helps in scheduling trades, but also provides a better sense of the market dynamics as per your location. If you frequently travel or work with markets in different parts of the world, you can readjust as needed by following these same steps. Remember that viewing charts in the correct time zone enhances both clarity and precision, allowing you to stay on top of your trading game at any time. As you can see, making this adjustment is very easy and ensures you're synced perfectly with the world market times you're involved in. Whenever you need to check or change it, you know exactly where to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick tutorial helps streamline your TradingView experience. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more in the comments section, and happy trading!